Today I'm sharing a Walmart grocery haul and meal plan with you. So for Sunday, we're gonna have frozen lasagna, garlic bread knots, and broccoli. Monday is tacos and fruit. Tuesday, pigs in a blanket with mac and cheese and green beans. Wednesday, we'll do leftovers. And then Thursday, my kids go to their grandma's, so we'll do date night. Usually go out to eat on those nights. And then for breakfast, I have eggs, cottage cheese, and sausage as an option. For lunch, we've got frozen pizza, frozen burritos, ramen, peanut butter and jelly, leftovers. And then for dessert, I've got pumpkin cake that I'm gonna be making, cereal, and then ice cream. So let me go ahead and share with you this week's grocery haul. Okay, here is the overview. This haul was right at $170, and I don't have the case of water that we got in here. It is out in the sunroom. So let's start on here. I needed quite a bit of non-food stuff, so I got some paper towels. I've heard these paper towels are really, really good, and I wanted to try them. So I got a 2-pack of those. Also restocked on our paper plates. This is what I like to use to clean our toilets because we have hard water and it just works really well. I got some more kitty litter. I like to have one as backup, and then also another thing of kitten food. Roxy will be on kitten food until she's a year old, so we're still buying the kitten food, but my Walmart does not have the big bags, so I just have to buy the small bag. So I like to keep one on hand in case we run out unexpectedly. So just restocked on her stuff. I also got some spray olive oil. I was completely out of that and I use it a lot. And then for laundry stuff, I wanted to try this Snuggle Lavender and Vanilla Orchid. This is like the scent beads, and I already smelled it and they smell amazing. I also got the dryer sheets to go along with it. My husband always requests ice cream, so I went ahead and got him some more cookies and cream ice cream. I also got some parchment paper. I got aluminum foil at the Dollar Tree the other day, so I am stocked back up on all of that because I went through all of it when I was doing all my Christmas baking. I got some medium cheddar for taco night. String cheese, 2 different kinds, the twist and the regular for the kids' snacks in the fridge. I also got some puff pastry for when we do pigs in a blanket. Go-gurts for the kids as well. And then for a fruit this week, I got some apples. I took apples to one of our Christmas get-togethers, and so I used up all my apples, so I just needed to replenish those. And I'm happy to say, if you've been watching my vlogs, that ever since I got my antibiotics for my tooth, I can eat cold stuff again, and that is such a good thing because I have not been able to eat anything cold for months, and so it's amazing to be able to eat fruit again. You don't know what you have until you know, until you can't have it anymore and you miss it. I got some granola bars for the kids' snack bins. Liam requested that we get Fruit Gushers this time. I told him that we could try it and see how long they last. I told him if they're gone in one day, I'm not buying them again because they are expensive. I also got these fruit and yogurt little fruit snacks for them to try as well. So we'll try those. I got them the strawberry ones in their stockings, and I really like them. So I don't know, we'll see. If they don't like them, they will definitely not go to waste. I also got some sour cream and some salsa for when we have tacos. Hot dogs for pigs in a blanket. Some broccoli for one of the sides. I don't remember. I think that's going to be with lasagna. And then I got some cottage cheese. This is my favorite cottage cheese. The Aldi one is good too, but I like this because it is the 2%. The Aldi one is 4%, but they changed their packaging, so I was a little weirded out when I opened up my groceries, and I was like, oh, okay, that's right. So they did change their packaging, if you're wondering. I also got some Doritos for taco night. I usually eat a taco salad, and then my husband will eat like a burrito, so usually get Doritos when we have tacos. And then for cereal this week, I got some Magic Treasures. This is the knockoff of the Lucky Charms. I really enjoy Lucky Charms, and so now that I can eat cold stuff again, I wanted to get a cereal that I enjoy. For my husband, he's going to be home this week, so I went ahead and got him 2 of these Jack's pepperoni pizzas. I don't have pizza on the meal plan, but, you know, I would much rather him have something that he can eat than go run through the drive-thru and spend twice the amount of money. So got him 2 of those pizzas so he can have those if he wants them. I got some burrito tortillas for my husband as well. Some grass-fed ground beef for taco night. Last time I got this, we really enjoyed it. I really prefer Aldi's hamburger, but I couldn't go to Aldi this week. I just didn't have time, so got some of that. And then I wanted shredded lettuce for tacos, but they did not have it, so I had to get this iceberg, and then I'll just have to wash it and cut it up and all that stuff. I got a pineapple for a fruit this week. Liam requested that. They love pineapple, and last time we got one from the store, it was still good. So they're still tasting really well. I don't know what GMO they're putting in it, but it's tasting good. So I got 2 gallons of milk, some bananas we've really been enjoying again, so I got some more of those. I wanted something different rather than water and soda, so I went ahead and got some of this Gatorade. The lemon lime is my favorite. I like the 0 sugar too, but they don't have it in the little things. At my Walmart, they just have the big ones. And then lastly, I got a 24 pack of Dr. Pepper, which when did soda get so expensive? Because this was like $14 and I just couldn't believe it. But really, you can't buy Dr. Thunder and Dr. Pepper and it'd be the same thing. I feel like when you get Sam's Cola and then if you go and get Coca-Cola, I feel like the Sam's is better. It has like more carbonation, but it is not the same way with the Dr. Thunder. So anyways, that is my grocery haul and meal plan for this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure and give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, see you in my next one. Bye.